Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to share my bike trip experience to Gulakamale Lake, then to Muninagara Dam and finally to Tottikallu Falls. We started our journey around 6 am on Saturday. Gulakamale Lake is around 50 kilometers from my place, which is in Whitefield, Bangalore. Roads were in excellent condition. Bangalore is in bloom right now and breathtakingly pretty with pink, yellow, purple flowers adorning the trees. Google Maps shows the exact location. We parked our vehicle near the temple. Climbed the trail. Gulakamale Lake is a huge lake with a nice walking trail around it. There are few pillars or half bridges extended right up to the water, from where one can get a better experience and view.
हेलो दोस्तों, हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं गुलाकमले लेक.
As the morning sun was still in his elements, glowing everything that came in its contact, the sun's rays bore a wonderful reflection on the waters and presented a lovely sight to us. Next, we left for Muninagara Dam. Be careful about the electric wires surrounding the dam. Muninagara Dam is very scenic. There were two half bridges that took us to a better view. It gives you the feeling of being afloat. And the backdrop of the mountains is just so scenic. Just like Gulakamale Lake, there was no shade here and also no place to sit. The ride to TK Falls from Muninagara Dam is full of pleasant surprises, beautiful green fields and coconut trees. We parked our vehicle. There were no parking charges, but park at your own risk.
हेलो दोस्तों, हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं टीके हिल्स, टीके फॉल्स.
Once we approached the entrance of the arena, we found a bridge which led us to a Muneshwara temple, small temple under a big tree. took a right turn, crossed a barren land, which led us to a big well. After following, we found water flowing from the falls. We walked through the water crossing. Steep, narrow, rocky trail which led us to a high cliff from where the view of valley along with the waterfall was visible. It is a single stream of water. The best time to visit will be during monsoon. We walked all the way to reach the top section of waterfall, which is a small hill from where water will be flowing down. This patch was risky and required high precaution while trekking. We had chilled sugarcane juice, which was very refreshing. Time to run back home after a sunny day. Thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe to my channel.